Hey everyone, yeah, welcome back once again to the channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to add a mainnet right here in Zenea Wallet. So if you've been wondering how to send out your tokens, how to receive tokens, how to swap tokens, and how to interact generally, then this video is for you. Watch this video to the end so that you don't do mistake for any reason. So let's get started immediately. First of all, you have to ensure that the app you are using is an updated version of the Zenea wallet, okay? Because some of these apps do update their wallet, so you have to ensure that you are using an updated version. Go to Play Store or Apple Store and check if there is an update it, all right? And then when you are done updating it, you open the app, and if you don't have any password yet, or if you've not created an account, you can do that by either importing from another wallet into the Xenea wallet or creating a new Xenea account. All right, and then when you've opened the Xenea wallet and you've created an account, then for you to add a mainnet network into the Xenea app, then you have to click right at the top corner where you see this, right? Where you see that Ethereum button right at the top here, that is where you're going to be clicking. All right, then you click down, it's going to show this. As soon as you click on that Ethereum logo, it's going to show this. It's going to show this section right here. All right, it's going to show this section. So now what you have to do now is to click on that add network right here. And then after clicking on that add network right here, it's going to take you right here. Now you can see two buttons right here. The first one is popular and the second one is custom. Now we are going to go for the second one, which is custom network. So you click on it, and then after clicking on it, it is going to show you this. It is going to show you this. It will take you to this section where you have network name, you have network name, you have RPC, you have chain ID, you have official symbol of the token you want to be importing, and then you have the block explorer URL. This block explorer URL is the documentation, is the site documentation of the mainnet you want to be importing. All right, so in case you want to import any mainnet, you have to ensure that the mainnet you are importing, you get the right address or information from the official website to avoid scams. Always verify the website that you are copying your information from, because if you do any mistake to add any mainnet here from any website or copy any information, all of this information, and come to your wallet and add it here, you might be exposing your wallet to risk. So always ensure that you are copying the actual details. You are copying all of these details, or any mainnet you want to copy. Always ensure that you are copying it from the legitimate website or documentation. All right, before even clicking on this add button. Okay, so now any mainnet you are copying will always have a network name, will always have an RPC URL, will always have a chain ID symbol and a block explorer. Don't forget that. All right, now we want to import Ubusuna Mainnet right here. For the sake of this video, we're going to be importing just one Ubusuna mainnet, just to show you how it works. Though I have imported this initially, and I showed and I explained how the process worked, but I'm just gonna go through it quickly. So let's go over to where I saved this mainnet. So you click on notes. I think I saved it in my notepad. All right, okay, now this is the mainnet that I want to be importing. I'm going to be importing this mainnet, so I'll copy them one after the other. All right, so right here I'll copy the network name. I'm going to be using Zenea Ubusuna. All right, So you copy it and then minimize and go back to the app and paste it right here where you have this network name. You paste it there. All right, and then the next one is the arrow PC URL. So I just minimize and go and copy this arrow PC URL. Do not copy the arrow PC is to just copy only the link. That is what we are concentrating at. So you paste it, you come down here and paste it here, and then this chain ID, you also copy the number. Just the number is enough. You copy it and then come right here and paste it again. Then you go and copy the symbol. This is the symbol right here. You copy it and then come to this symbol and paste it right there, and then you come to Block Explorer, just copy only. Also, you just copy just the website, the site link. That is all what we need. So you copy it and then come here and paste it right there. Okay, right there. Now anytime that this shows up, it means that you have mistakenly added a space somewhere around, maybe at the back or at the front. So you just have to click on it and try to see if you can adjust it. Try to see if you can adjust it properly. Okay, then it's going to load up. Now after you've added all of this information just like I showed you, then you can see here now that this button has highlighted. So you just add it. It's going to show up this. As soon as it shows up this, just go ahead and click on confirm, and this mainnet right here is going to be automatically imported. Now I already have this mainnet, custom mainnet already imported in my Xenea, so I don't need to do it again. But this is the step-by-step process on how to go about importing mainnet or custom network of any token into your Zenea wallet. So if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like and share to your loved ones, and bye for now.